Happy morning, guys. Now, yesterday we stopped at didentate onwards. Now, didentate onwards I will continue. Monodentate, what are the charges and what are the molecules I given. Didentate compounds are very, very important. Now, first didentate. Didentate. It is oxalate. Oxalate ion what? C double bond O minus. C double bond O minus. This minus means what? Minus means one extra electron. Actually this electron belongs to compound and this is extra. Okay, so it is ready to donate. So how many dents will come? How many tooths will come? Year 1 will come. So totally 2 dentate. What is the charge of this? Charge is -2. This name is oxalato. See guys, only O will come last, that is fix. And ito, Oto, Ido. These 3 words only will come for all the compounds. More than this, it won't come. Now, next one, second didentate is glycinate ion. Simply GLY only, that name. Glycinate ion. It is glycinate ion. Now take the formula. It is CH2 one side, NH2 lone pair, one side CO double bond O minus. See here lone pair, here charge. Here negative charge, here lone pair. So one dentate, second dentate. So this is also didentate. The charge what? -1 charge. See guys, very, very important. -1 charge. Charge is also important, okay? So name glycinato. ATO. Ato. Next, DMG. Not OMG, DMG. This DMG actually small letters. Dimethyl glyoxine ion. Dimethyl glyoxine ion. Okay, dimethyl glyoxine ion. Now let's take, very important, takes 2 carbons. Upside CH3. Now downside double bond N. Okay. Now, and this oxygen contains, this nitrogen contains O minus, and this contains OH. Now here lone pair is there, here lone pair. There lone pair. But this is a didentate only because of this only will give. The neighboring it won't give. Neighboring compounds it won't give. So this only will give 1 dent. This will give 1 dent. For example, it won't give, it will give only. So whatever, 2 only will come, 2 dents, 2 teeths will come. Okay. But charge what? Charge -1 only. So the name what will come? Name dimethyl glyoxymato, dimethyl glyoxy no space mato, dimethyl glyoxymato. Now tridentate is not there, tetradentate also not there, but pentadentate is there. Pentadentate is there. In native ligands, pentadentate. Pentadentate. Okay. In negative only di, mono, di, and pentahexa. Now pentadentate, EDTA minus 3. EDTA minus 3. First and best example, EDTA minus 3. Okay. Now let's take very important CH2 N here CH3 COO minus CH3 COO minus, and here H only CH3 COO minus. Look at here 3 minus coming, right? So 3 minus, look at once. Here 3 minus coming means first minus, second minus, third minus. But it is pentadentate. How we are telling? 1, 2, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Total 5 dentates are there. Okay? Pentadentate. This is the EDTA minus 3. Now charge is minus 3. Charge is minus 3. Now name. Ethylene, diamine, no space, triacetato. Ethylene, diamine, triacetato. This is penta. Negative ligands only we are discussing, amma. Yesterday we are started from negative ligands. Okay, that continuation this is. Next, last one, negative ligands, hexadentate. Hexadentate means 6 tooths. 6 tooths. That is example EDTA minus 4. Hexadentate EDTA minus 4. Now let's take CH2 N CH3 C double bond O minus, CH3 C double bond O minus, CH3 C double bond O minus, CH3 C double bond O minus. See, look at here. How many are there here fully? First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Sixth coordination bonds will come. 6 tooths are there. Okay. The charge is -4. Everybody know. Now ethylene diamine tetraacetate name. Ethylene, no space, diamine tetra acetate, very biggest name, no space in between, and guys, didentate one I am missing, didentate one example I am missing, that is ACAC, very important. ACAC is the best example, that is acetyl acetonate, acetyl acetonate, acetonate. Now take first little bit confusing, carbon you take, CH you take, double bond you take, CH3, and here double bond, here single bond. Okay, here negative charge. Now the charge is -1 only. See, this charge is -1, only one negative charge. But here onwards one dentate will come. Here onwards one dent will come. Didentate. This is the ACAC. If you don't know the full form of this, write ACAC also correct, not a problem. ACAC also answer only. So EN, ACAC, gly, these all are compounds only. OX, oxalato, and EDTA -3, EDTA -4. These all are compounds only. If you don't know full forms, write EN, not a problem. Okay. EN is what? Ethylene diamine. EN. Ethylene diamine. Second one, acetyl acetonate. Third one, glycinate. OX, oxalate. EDTA, ethylene diamine tetraacetate. Triacetate. 3 coming means triacetate. Here 4 coming means tetraacetate. And one more, DIPY, diphenyl. Some more examples will come. Okay, wait. Let's wait. Now these all are, this till here, negative ligands. Over. Neutral ligands. Neutral ligands means no charge. Neutral ligands means no charge. I will write compounds only direct, okay? You have to find out. First one, methyl amine, CH3 NH2, methylamine. Second one, ammonia, NH3. Third one, water or aqua. Fourth one, nitrous oxide, nitric oxide. Fifth one, CO, carbon monoxide. Sixth one, carbon carbon, sorry, thiocarbonyl. Seventh one, phosphine, pH3, phosphine. Okay, phosphine. Eighth one, thiourine. Thiourine means I will write NH2C double bond S NH2. Thiourine or thiourea. Thiourine also one of the name. Thiourea, its name is Tu. Small letters Tu. Thiourea. Ninth one, pyridine. PY. PY means not Pondicherry. PY means pyridine. These all are neutral unidentate. Neutral unidentate, very very important amma. No charge present. Neutral, no charge present. Now bidentate. Bidentate, first and best example EN. Ethylene diamine CH2 NH2. Here one lone pair. Now two dents. Neutral ligand, ethylene diamine, no space. Second one, dipy means diphenyl. Dipyridine, right? Dipyridine formula is like this. This is the dipyridine. So lone pair here, two teeths will come. That's why bidentate. Two teeths bidentate. En. Dipy means dipyridine. Now example number third for bidentate or didentate, it is pH. pH means ortho, no space, hyphen, ortho, fin anthracene. Orthophenanthracene. Let's take phenanthracene structure that everybody know. Okay. Didentate. This is the orthophenanthracene. No charge. Phenanthroline name. Phenanthroline. INE. Now tetradentate. Tridentate we completed. Tridentate we completed last class. Shall I go or shall I tell again? I will explain here. Okay. Tetra and tri, both I will explain here. Tridentate, both I will explain here. See, tridentate I will take first. En only you take, En example, but here before we taken one En for didentate, right? Now here 2 we have to take tridentate, 3 we have to take tetradentate. How it is? Let's see. Now take CH2 NH CH2 CH2 NH2 CH2 NH2. See guys, this is, look at once, look at this, CH2 CH2 NH2 NH2, it is En, ethylene diamine. And let's next move this is what? CH2 CH2 NH2 NH2, this is En. Okay, so 2 ENs are present, so the example is diene. This is diene. Now here how many are there? Tridentate, right? So one will come from here, one will come from here, one will come from here. How many? 3 tooths per central metal. Central metal 2 teeth are coming, so that's why tridentate. Next, same as it is. Let's we'll take CH2 NH CH2 NH CH2 NH CH2 NH2. See, 1 2 3 4. See, how many are there? Tetradentates, diamines, how many are there? 1. Second one. See, second one. Third one. See, third one. So totally 3. So 3 are there, that's why triene. Now how many dents will come? 1 2 3 4. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that's why tetradentate. This is the name is tetradentate triethylene tetramine. Triethylene tetramine. This name is triethylene tetramine. Diethylene triamine. Tetradentate. This is the compound. We have to more practice, amma. Without practice we can't do anything. Now last, positive ligands. Neutral over positive. Only 3 there. Hydrazonium. Name will come with hydrazonium. But again I am telling NH2, NH3 plus. First one, NO plus. Third one, NO2 plus. This all are plus 1 charge. All are plus 1 charge. Hydrazonium, nitrozonium, nitronium. This table you have to follow strictly whatever I told you yesterday and today. This table is very, 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 very important. Okay. Without this you can't do anything. Without this you can't do anything. Okay. Next, one condition. One more condition. Directly we will go to the names. That names only better. Okay. Now, whatever I told, these all are the ligands. Based on this, we have to write the names. How to write the names? Now, total full of the class is that only. Okay, guys. Next naming rule is sixth one. Yesterday we completed 5. Now today sixth one. It is cation complex ion, anion complex ion. Two ions are possible. Okay, cation and anion. See, actually what is happening here? Cation means complex. In the square bracket upside, cation symbol coming negative symbol coming we have to see that first of all. Okay, so if the cation common name you have to write common, whatever it is coming, platinum, whatever, copper, silver, nickel, platinum, everything common name we have to write. Common name, positive coming, common name we have to write. If the negative coming na, that time we have to end with ATE, 8. Very, very important point. Sixth point, naming of complex ions. Complex ion means in the square bracket, whatever it is there, positive or negative, we have to see first. See, for example, the square bracket upside positive is there. That common name we have to write. Common name means what? Copper, silver, nickel, platinum, zinc, iron. This kind of names we have to write. And if the anion means negative if it is coming, we have to write 8. ATE, 8. Okay. So, example Na3 Al F6. See, this Na3 is plus, so 3 plus means 3 plus. This is minus 6. 6 compounds are there, each one 1 minus, 6 minus. So automatically Al is 3, positive 3. But finally what it is? Al F6 minus 3. If they remove Al, 3 we will remove, minus 3 will come or not. Cations are lost, negative will come, right? So this is anion complex ion. So anion complex ion, or simply you take negative or anion. Now name you write. Name how to write? Sodium, no space. Sodium, hexafluoro, fluorido, hexafluorido, aluminate, aluminum not, aluminate, 8 coming. Last 8 will come. Aluminate. Aluminum won't come. Aluminate will come. Aluminate. This is the important point. So for example, cation coming na, simple common name, aluminum, nickel, silver. This kind of things you have to write. Okay. Now, next, rule number 7. Rule number 7. Naming of optical isomers. Naming of optical isomers. Naming of optical isomers. The name should write with dextro or levo. That's it. Dextro or levo rotatory, you have to write in a name. If the dextro, take positive, levo take negative. That's it. Otherwise, you take small d, you take small l in the name. One example I will show you. Okay? One example I will show you. That is dextro K3 iridium C2O4 C2O4 3 close square bracket. The name how to write? It is potassium before the square bracket. So write potassium either positive, dextro, right, either positive or d, small d. Otherwise you write dextro, not a problem. Dextro trioxo trioxalato, no space, iridine, iridate. Why date coming? Because of this complex is getting negative. This complex K plus 3 will going right, so complex is getting negative. That's why 8 is coming. So both rules we covered: optical isomerism rule and naming of complex ion. Both rules we completed. If you won't understood this video, again and again you have to see. Okay? This is the 7th rule. Only few examples only there for this. Now rule number 8. Bridging coordination compounds. Bridging coordination compounds. How to write the name? Bridging. Okay? Here bridging is with the mu symbol we have to represent. With mu or bis, these words we have to show, or hyphen. These 3 words, first, second, third. These 3 words we will use. We have to complete the bridging compounds. Now first take cobalt NH2 OH cobalt En2 square bracket SO4 2. This is the bridging compound. How to write the name? So bis coming means what? This is one group. If you close this one, this is one group. 1 and 1, 2. So name is start with bis with the small letters. Bis with the small letters. Now the bis in the bracket en. So ethane 1 2 diamine, full form. En, simply En also not a problem. Okay. Bis means, what are bis? Cobalt bis. 1, 2. 2 are there. Bis En, bis cobalt. Okay. Cobalt. What is oxidation state of cobalt here? En 2 dentate, and this is what it will come? 2 will come. Sorry, 3 will come. 3. Now hyphen mu. What is bridging is we have to show with mu. What is the bridge? OH and NH2 is in bridge. Bridge symbol is mu. Okay, mu. Imido. Hyphen mu. Imido. NH2 imido. Hyphen. No space. Mu. Again hyphen. What it is? OH. Hydroxo. Next. Hydroxo. Next. Bis. En. See this En correct only. Bis means this CO. En 2s. Cobalt 3. Imido. Hydroxy. Bis. En cobalt. En cobalt. Last what will come? Cobalt over. Now last one, sulfate. This much big name, very biggest name in coordination compounds. See, look at bis. This 2. Bis means 2. En's 2. Cobalt 3. Mu. Imido. Mu. Hydroxy. Bis. En. 2 En. Cobalt. Sulfate. This is the rule. If the complex contains 2 or more metal ions, it is termed polynuclear. Monodentates linked 2 metal atoms simultaneously, it's called bridging ligands. Okay, this is the mu, bis and hyphens will separated by using, we have to write the bridging coordination compounds names. Today rules only going on. 8th rule, very very important. 8th rule. Now 9th rule. 9th rule simple. If the 2 metals will come, for example platinum bonds, 2 metal bonding is coming na, biplatinum, which is 9th rule. Biplatinum word will come, that's it. That is the 9th rule, very simple one. But look at here, bridging compounds. When it is bridging compounds are represented with mu. This 2 is there, that's why bis. Here 2 is there, that's why bis. Bis, ethylene, diamine, cobalt 3. Mu, imido, mu, hydroxo, bis, En, cobalt, sulfate. Simple. Bridging compound, this is the rule. So mu is very very important. Now 9 rules we are completed. Now according to this 9 rules I will read once. Look at here. Last class and everything I will read. What is the rule number 1? Yeah, naming of ligands. Negative ligands are coming O. Negative ligands will come O. First rule. Okay. Sulfate by oxalate it is coming iodo, ito, ato. Some ligands end with ide, sulfide, sulfate, this kind of things replaced by E with O. E with O. That also completed. Okay, these all are the example. Neutral ligands, common names we have to write amine, carbonyl, aqua, thiocarbonyl, like this we have to write rule number 2. Rule number 3, passive ligands, hydrazonium, nitrozonium, nitronium, rule number 3. Okay, rule number 3, passive ligands will come, name is end with IUM. Next, organic ligands will come IL, example methyl, chloride, bromyl, pentyl, hexyl, that kind of things, phenyl. Next, ambidentate ligands, rule number 5, amino, hexa, thiocyano, S will come, S chromat will come because of S is bonding with chromate. Next, for example, N is bond with chromate, so ammonium hexathiocyaneto N platinate. N is bond, that's why N and S will come in the middle. Homework I given. Okay. Now, next some ligands we are practiced here, and then after today's class, 6th rule is came, naming of complex ion. 5 rules completed yesterday. Today's first rule, naming of complex ion. If the cation complex ion is coming, common name will come. If the anion complex ion will come, 8 will come. Cation and anion, rule number 6, very very important. Suddenly 8 will come, suddenly common platinum will come. Platinum will come, platinate will come. Why platinate and why platinum? I give an example. This is the example. Aluminate coming because of this complex ion is negatively charged. Okay. Next, 7th rule, name of the optical isomerism, dextro either plus either D, levo either negative either L. Only naming only, no need to confuse, only this words only we have to put. For example, this is the compound dextro K3 iridium C2O4 3. This is potassium. First potassium we have to write. Next, this is the dextro or levo, this they given dextro. So positive either D, either positive charge either D. Trioxalato, iridiate because of this complex ion is getting negative charge. Now 8th, bridging compounds are represented with mu. If the two compounds are there bis, the name is written with hyphen. 8th. 9th, two metals will attach together by platinum by metal, whatever it is it will come, you have to take that by. Okay. Now don't take the space between the names, and all are small letters. Most of the times most of the cases 99% give the preference to alphabetical order. Okay. Now here few examples. How many examples given in a book? Almost 55 examples they gave. Now how many possible? Today we will do that many. Now first of all, complex compound name, very very important, very 1000 times important this topic, 1000 times very important. Okay. Now first compound, square bracket CO NH3 6 close bracket Cl3. See, look at here, central metal 1, ligand, coordination number and counter ion. Counter ion name will come last, amine will come first, cobalt will come next. Right? All small letters, no space. All small letters, no space. Hexa 6. Hexa. What are they? Amine. Hexa. Amine. Hexa. Amine. 2M. Okay, 2 M's. Amine. Hexa. Amine. Cobalt. What is oxygen state? 3 so 3 bracket 3 chloride, that is the name. Hexamine, cobalt, 3 chloride. One M is missing here, one more M you take. Okay, how to do this? X plus 60 equal to minus 3. Simply you take plus 3M. Plus 3 will come here. Okay, plus 3 will come. Because of, if we are taking this CO NH3 6 plus 3, because of Cl minus, this charge is plus 3, so plus will come. 0, x equal to plus 3. Now second one, chromium, open square bracket, H2O 4, Cl2, close the bracket, NO3. See, the two ligands are there. One is aqua ligand, one is chloro ligand. Aqua will come first because of alphabetical order. Aqua will come first. So tetra aqua and dichloride. Okay, dichlorido, chromium, nitrate. Simple. This is 0, 4, 0, 0, 2, minus 2, with 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 3, 3, sorry. NO3 minus, Cl minus. So 2 minus, 1 minus, 3 minus, so plus 3. Now we'll take the name. Tetra aqua, tetra aqua over. Why aqua? We are taking alphabetical order. Water will come first. Dichlorido, no space, chromium. Why chromium we are taking? Because of positive coming. The complex ion positive. Chromium in the bracket 3, no space, 3 nitrate. 8 coming, 8 means 3 O's are there, nitrate. Now x plus 4, 0 plus 2 minus 1, this is equal to plus 1. So x plus, minus 2 equal to plus 3. So it is coming there, plus x equal to plus 3. Now third one, CO NH3 4 Cl NO2 close the bracket NO3. Very biggest name, very big name. Okay, let's take. So here chloro there, nitro there, amino there. Amino will come first. Chloro and nitro. Chloro will come next. Nitro will come last. And nitrate will come last. That we know. Right. Tetra amine chlorido nitro cobalt. What is the charge? Here? 3. Cobalt 3 because of 0 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 nitrate. I told this only. The pages are not enough sometimes. The full page is not enough to write the name. The full page is not enough to write the name. Chlorido, remember it, chlorido. Cl is coming there anywhere, chlorido. Cl is coming as a counter ion, chloride. Okay? Yeah. Next. X plus 4 zeros plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 equal to plus 1. So 1 1 1 finally x equal to plus 3. Here minus minus plus will come, 2 will go this side, again it becomes plus 3. Fourth one K3 Fe C2O4 3 square bracket. Yeah, K3 coming here before complex ion is a positive is there, so automatically this is negative complex ion. Name will come different. Ferrate will come. Okay, now before square bracket whatever it is there, that name we have to write. Potassium, as usual we have to write potassium trioxalato Fe, negative charge. Ferrate, and what is the charge? Either 3 either 2, but here 3 plus 3 is there, it is minus 2 is there. 3 2s are 6, inga 3, so automatically plus 3. But this charge is what? Minus 3. This fully, the complex ion is minus 3 extra. Remember it guys, everybody, complex in the square bracket it is called complex ion. So complex ion I am writing for this molecule is Fe C2O4 3, it is minus 3. So negative charge coming, potassium trioxalate, ferrate 3, this 3 only. Okay, So negative, that's why 8 coming. But before all are cobalt. And here chromium, cobalt. But here only 8 coming because of negative charge. Remaining all are positive charge. Positive charge, positive charge. Why? Because here front K3 is there. Ma, very difficult and very important, amma. Now, fifth one. After some time, you will tell directly which is 8 will come, which is common name will come. You will tell directly. Now K3, cobalt, CN 5, NO, close the bracket. C, potassium as usual, pentacyano, nitro, cobalt, but it is negative charge cobalt 8. Yes, right. Potassium, penta, cyano, nitro, nitrosyl. Why they given nitrosyl? Yeah, nitrosyl, no space, cobaltate, and plus 3, the 5 minus 5 minus 1, 6, 3, so automatically 3 will come here. Cobaltate, yeah, here NO plus, this plus 4 coming, here 5. 1 minute, important, this is 2 should come, 5, 6, yeah, 6, 3. Pentacyano cobaltate 2 is given. Why it is 2? I will give homework. Wait 1 minute. The 3, K3 COCN5 NO, nitrosyl 2. Yeah. Because of here, look at here. This cobalt is behaved as a neutral here. 5 minus 3 plus 2 coming. Okay. NO is nitrosyl neutral only I given in the list. 1 minute. Yes. Nitric oxide neutral. Nitric oxide neutral, zero charge. In an example I given. 1 minute. I will show you. Here, neutral ligand NO. Okay, charge 0. These all are neutral. Yes, nitric oxide neutral, 0 charge. So, idu 5, idu 3, idu plus 2 coming, right? Correct. 0 charge. Okay. 5th example over. Now 6th example. Potassium, platinum, NH3, Cl3, Close the bracket. See, only one ammonia is given. Potassium, amine, space, space is there. Amine, trichlorido, platinate, 2. Okay, and few examples I will give for doing. Okay, now copy this, pause the video and copy this. Yes, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th names you have to write. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 examples is a homework. 6th examples are homework. 6th one I completed. 7th one, 8th one, 9th one, 10th one, 11th one, 12th one. Do it. Everybody have to send to me in a group, not personally. In the group you have to send. In a group, your picture and your name. That's it. Okay, I will click on your homework page. And this is our class, today's class. Okay, take care guys, bye.